Okay, guys, so we're really excited because all of us drive through Starbucks, we get our coffee, and we want something to eat. So, what do? We get the only healthy thing at Starbucks. Go ahead, take a minute. Yeah, you know you got the sous vide egg bites, right? So we're making that today. We're going to show you how to make it at home, kind of meal prep your breakfasts at home so you're not paying those outlandish prices. They're really good, don't get me wrong. They know how to make it. I'm going to show you how to make it at home so that you don't have to pay for it, okay? Come on in close. We are just not making regular egg bites. We're making some healthy egg bites. We're putting some ingredients that are just delicious. All right. So let's run over everything. So we're using these ball cur jar. It's either ball or it's cur. Depends on what brand you use. These were originally made so you could make your own baby food. Okay. Well, we're making egg baby food basically today. So I got those at Walmart, a couple dollars. Got some pork, some bacon, obviously eggs. Okay. Got some cheddar cheese, gonna put that in the mix. Got some bell peppers, gonna put that in the mix. Got some feta cheese, gonna put that in the mix. Got some sun-dried tomatoes, gonna put that in the mix. Got some baby spinach. Did I say spinach? No, it's baby spinach. Oh my gosh, I cracked myself up. I've got my sous vide wand in here by Jewel. I've got some almond milk. I don't know why it called for almond milk, but I'm going to try it. I've never used almond milk in my scrambled eggs, but that's what it's calling for. So let me prepare everything. So let me tell you how this works. The cheese is already shredded. Let's go cook up our bacon, and we're going to cook up our pork. And then we're going to chop up some of the spinach. Get all your ingredients. Chop up some of the sun-dried tomatoes so we can just put pinches in each one. So when we're loading this, pour some egg in there, throw in some toppings, and then we're going to sous vide it, okay? So let's get started. We're going to cut everything up, and we'll see you right back here. Okay, guys, this is how I cook my bacon. Take a whole pound at a time. This is thick cut hickory smoke from Patty's Settlement. When I was out there, I was in their store. I grabbed a pound of it. This smells amazing already. I haven't even cooked it yet. It's all over my hands. It smells great. It's thick cut. So just lay it out on a cookie sheet, pop it in the oven, and you cook a whole pound at a time. And get one of those silicone mats like I got down below so your bacon don't stick to the cookie sheet, all right? Anyway, I'm going to pop this in the oven right now, and then we're going to brown up our sausage. Okay, we got a little bit of oil in the pan. We're heating it up right now. Make sure the flame's going. You're not filling the whole kitchen up with just gas that ain't lit. Always check your flame. All right, so we're gonna get ready to brown the sausage now. I got the oven going with the bacon. Everything's beautiful. All right, guys, what's my little trick? Take a little bit of meat, throw in the oil there, and watch it. When that starts bubbling, going sss, then you dump all the rest in. Oh, there it goes. Look at it. As quick as I said it. Now you put the rest of the meat in. All right, everything's ready. Start browning the meat. All right, guys, look at this mess. This is the layout, okay? We're going to start making the egg batter in a minute, which will be the egg base. And then we're going to season it with sausage, bacon, sun-dried tomatoes, cheddar cheese. Here's the baby spinach. Just take scissors and chop, chop, chop. Feta cheese, bell pepper. And that's the big thing right there, the eggs. I think we got like 8 eggs in there. All right, you guys ready? Now, I'm hoping that Starbucks is health concerned and they're using a healthier milk and not just whole milk, because the recipe told me to use almond milk, so I'm not sure what Starbucks uses. I've never used almond milk, so I decided to try it just for the sake of it. It's unsweetened, not the vanilla one, just the regular almond milk unsweetened. Dump your eggs in here so it's easier for pouring. I should have mixed them in the bowl first, but you can mix them right here in the little measuring cup. If you don't think you have enough eggs, put more eggs in. Just put a little dollop in there. Just maybe a splash more. There you go. That'll thin out the eggs and give you more eggs to go around to all your containers. Mix it all up. Get it in there. Hold on. Pinch of salt. There you go. Oops. That pepper's being a little difficult. Pinch of pepper. I love pepper, so we're going to put that right in there. And there's your egg base right there. Some people have been known to put sour cream in this, which makes the eggs creamier. I'm not going to. I'm following a recipe that claims to be just like the Sous Vide at Starbucks. So we'll try that out. Now, while I'm setting everything up, I'm going to talk with you guys, okay? This is the Jules. This is the Sous Vide wand. You may have other brands. You may not even own one. You can do this recipe. If you don't own one, what you're going to do is take a thermometer and heat your water to 172. Okay? You don't need this wand. This is a great wand. I love this. But if you don't have a Sous Vide wand, you can still make these in a pot of water, put it on low, start raising it a little bit more and more until you get the water to 172 and hold it there, okay? Let me put that over there. Let me start opening these. Hold on a minute. And that's it. So if you have a sous vide wand, use that, set it to 172. You're going to cook it for 1 hour. If you don't have a sous vide wand, set it to 172 in a pot of water. Make sure the water is 172. Get these all. Whoops, sorry. There you go. Never done this, never poured egg in the little containers before, but we're gonna try that. Try it out. I'm thinking like 3/4, right? Right there. So we have room for some toppings. So I'm gonna put different toppings and different eggs, okay? So put a little bit of bell pepper, just pinches of bell pepper. There we go. Put some feta cheese and some. Put some cheddar cheese and others. There we go. Put some baby spinach in a few. I love spinach. Get some bacon in a few. Oops, get some more bacon. In there, in there. Oops. Remember to chop your bacon up good. Some of these pieces are kind of big. But we're okay. Put some in there. Drop some in there. Man, I'm loving bacon on everything. There we go. Sun-dried tomatoes. Love these. Pop them in there. Once again, just a pinch. Every egg bite's going to be a little bit different. This is hot sausage. Some of them will have hot sausage. These are all looking good. We got everything. Cheese, bacon, sun-dried tomatoes, bell peppers. Just some more bell peppers in this one. Yeah, there we go. Do some bell peppers back here. More meat. Gotta have more meat. There we go. Get that going. Oh, I forgot that guy. I guess I don't have enough egg for that guy. So we're just gonna do these. All right, so let's close these up. I've explained this to you before, but some of you may be new to the show. This is like, they call this a wand. And what it does is it pulls the water in, and this little hole spits out the water after it's been heated in this wand. It spits out the temperature of the water you want. So I'm putting 172 degrees for 1 hour on here. It's going to pull the water in, heat it to 172, and spit it out. Pull the water in, heat it to 172, and spit it out. It's going to keep doing that and keep this water bath at 172. This is a French way of cooking called sous vide. It's the best way to cook seafood because it cooks it, the thin part and the thick part get cooked exactly the same. So we're going to place those in a water bath of 172 for 1 hour. So let's do this right now. Let's plug it in and get it started. And yes, there is an iPhone app and an Android app, no matter what phone you use. There we go. See, it's got a little motor. It's spitting out water right now. We're going to edit the temperature, make sure, 172. So the water's 110 right now because I used hot water. When it hits 172, it'll warn me. Unless I drop my phone in the water, then it's not going to tell me anything. But here we go. So it's preheating the bath right now. All right, guys, you can see the steam coming out here. This is 172. We need to cook these for about an hour. So get yourself a mitt or some tongs or something and gently set that in the water. And grab the next one. Gently set it in the water. And there you go. We're going to leave them in that water bath for 1 hour. Gonna go start the timer on my Joule app, okay? Okay, that's where these come in now. So you're basically gonna take your jars out of the water, set them right there to cool. I've got 7 of them. Whoops. It looks like it's gonna fall. All right, guys, so we've got to cut the egg out from the jar. You can use a toothpick, you can use a knife blade, be careful. I'm using a butter knife. You can do anything you want to separate the egg from the walls of the jar. All right, so I'm gonna go around real quick and gently just kind of push it away. Okay, there you go. It's fully cooked and we separate it from the glass. So now you're just going to turn it upside down. Sometimes you may have to put it under cold water to get it to pull away from the glass, to let go of the glass. But basically, it should look like something like that. It should come right out. Look how beautiful that is. In fact, that's probably bigger than a Starbucks. It's probably about 1.5 times bigger than a Starbucks. Let me cut into it real quick. Okay, ready? I'm just going to go right down the middle so you can see. This is a great little breakfast. Look at that. Can you see that? Is that gorgeous? That is a Starbucks Sous Vide egg bite. Okay, guys, so I buy these all the time at Starbucks. But now that I can make them at home, I'm making it at home all the time at home. Let's give this one a try. You ready? Whoop, I lost a little piece. Oh, it smells so good. Why is this better than the Starbucks version? Because the ingredients are more fresh. The bell pepper's crunching in my mouth. The bacon's crunching in my mouth. The sausage is all squishy. It's awesome. Ingredient-wise, it's better to make it at home. So recipes down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.